Properties of water is an A-level topic that we often brush under the carpet a little bit. It's a little bit dry, but it is very important that you are able to note the difference between adhesion and cohesion of water molecules, because both properties are vital in the transport of water up xylems, for example, using the cohesion tension theory. But we're just going to address what is the difference between cohesion and adhesion. Let's have a quick look at the property of water itself. Water is H2O. I've drawn two water molecules here. So here's our oxygen and here's our two hydrogens on both those water molecules. Now you don't need to know the ins and outs of the chemistry behind this, but in water, the oxygen has a very slightly negative charge to it. It's not ionized, it's just got what we call a polarity. And the hydrogens have a slight positive charge, which means that the overall molecule is polar. It has two different charges within its overall structure. What that means then is if one water molecule is sitting near to another water molecule, there are going to be attractions because positive and negative attract each other. So you're likely to get attractions between the positive and the negative parts of the neighbouring molecules. And this is what we call cohesion. Cohesion is essentially when one water molecule forms a hydrogen bond with another water molecule. So there's two, they're in company of each other, together, cohered together. And that's a really good thing because when one water molecule moves, it will pull another with it. This one will be hydrogen bonded to another that will pull it along too. So it forms like a column of water, which is essentially really important when water moves up the xylem. Adhesion is a slightly different thing. Adhesion is when water molecules can actually form, again, bonds, hydrogen bonds, with other things that aren't another water molecule. So typically it might be that you get a hydrogen bond with a water molecule and the xylem vessel wall, and it adheres to that, it sticks to it a little bit, and that makes sure that the water column, if it was water in the xylem that we're talking about, doesn't collapse under itself because it's quite heavy. It will maintain the column, and the column will be pulled upwards effectively during the transpiration stream. So cohesion is when water molecules literally hold hands, they stick together, hydrogen bonds, and adhesion is when the water molecules bond to other things. So if you like the video, remember to save it and follow us on MyEdSpace Biology.